What are groups in SFDC and what is their use? Groups are sets of users. They can contain individual users, other groups, the users in a particular role or territory, or the users in a particular role or territory plus all of the users below that role or territory in the hierarchy. There are two types of groups. Public groups, only administrators can create public groups. They can be used by everyone in the organization. Personal groups, each user can create groups for their personal use. You can use groups in the following ways. To set up default sharing access via a sharing rule. To share your records with other users. To specify that you want to synchronize contacts owned by others' users. To add multiple users to a Salesforce CRM content library. To assign users to specific actions in Salesforce knowledge.